Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again with another invitation for an open collaboration. I see you guys see me with the same shirt. I'm recording them back to back. Okay guys, this open collaboration is for the Summer Yellow Tablescape. This is hosted by Marlene's How To's channel and co-host by A Penny's Place and myself, Deborah Cabasa Home Living. This is going to be for Tuesday, June 28th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Use the hashtag summerYellowTablescape. Guys, you could decorate your table anywhere you like, anywhere you want. Just make sure that you incorporate yellow. You could use yellow plates or yellow flowers or yellow napkins, anything as long as you have yellow. Other than that, you could do whatever you want. Well, guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye, guys.